Pick the middle extension and place it in between the following two extensions. As you are doing that, make sure your left is on the twist mode as you are seeing on the red indicator. Next, you will twist the Locs extensions all the way down, following the next Locs extensions you are picking up, and twist it again all over the Locs like you did before. This is what you do till you pick all of them, placing them equally the way you are seeing it here. When you're done, you pick the last one and tie it to hold the body of the barrel Locs extensions for it not to loose. This is how to do barrel twist. Rate this 1 to 10 and thanks for watching.